Hi, so today we are going to solve Japanese city attributes. This is under SQL basics and subdomain is basic select, which makes it an easy beginner friendly question. So let's get started. Now, before I get started with my question, here's a drop down. I will select this and change my interface on my server to MySQL. And now the question is, query all attributes of every Japanese city in the city table. The country code for Japan is JPN. So basically, I have to get all the details: name, ID, name, country code, district, and population, where the country code is Japan. So let's write the query. Select asterisk from city. If I would run this query, I would get entire data of this table, but I only need the data where country code is Japan. Now you have to ensure that this country code should be in single quotes, because here, if you can see, country code in my city table is in variable character type, and variable character type gets saved in my database as a string. And whenever I want to query a string, I have to add single quotes. Now let's run this code. See, so we have got all the records where country code is JPN. The takeaway from here should be that string in single quotes. So let's submit the code. And that's that. Thank you.